Hello members, hope you'll be doing well. I'm Khizr Bakhtiar, your admin, and I'm going to teach you about future trade in this video. So I'll divide future trade into three videos or two videos: basics, intermediate, and advanced. So you can see so many options, too many options to learn here, and that can be learned in one video. So I'm gonna start. BDC. Here you can see quarterly and perpetual. We'll talk about it later, but now we are going to focus on the basics only. Here I selected the perpetual. You have to select the perpetual, not the quarterly. Okay, then here you'll see margin modes. You will see isolated and cross. So what does these both option means? Isolated means that the trade you're doing in the future, only that amount you're doing trade with will be used in that trade. For example, if you're trading with $50 in BTC USDT, so if your account gets liquidated, your $50,000 will be washed, you may say, will get deducted from your account balance. But if you're playing with margin cross mode, so in this mode, cross mode, all of your future account balance is used to lower your liquidation price. So we suggest to play with isolated mode, and if you have lots of fund and you want to decrease your liquidation price, you can play with cross 2. So isolated here, confirm, and we suggest to put the leverage lower than 10, 8x, 7x, 5x, 6x. Okay, 8x. Okay, you can long or you can short. If you long a coin, and if the price rises from your buying price, you will get if your leverage is 8x, so you will get reward. If the coin gets raised by 1%, you will get 10% profit, 8% profit. And if it gets dump 1%, you will be at risk, or you lose 8%. You'll be in loss of 8%. So I hope you got this thing of leverage idea, like it maximize your profit and reward ratio. If you're playing with 8x, it means that your profit and reward are now 8 times, not only single, it's 8 times now. And if you long something, and then if the price rises from your buying price, you will get profit. If you short, and if the price gets down and lower than your selling or short point, you will get profit. So how to take profit, how to take trade? First, we'll put a signal in our group. Let me tell you how. You have to check the signal here in the future section. Okay, for example, this one, ETC future trade, or for example ADA future trade. Here it is. So what the buying price is 1.26 and 1.27, right? And the take profit are the following. And stop loss means you have to put a stop loss. Low leverage means you have to not play with the higher leverage, you have to play with low leverage. Okay, so we come here, and ADA. Now the current price of ADA is 117, but what's the entry price? It's 126. So you have to wait till 126. For that, you can put an alert in your application. Alert price rises to 1.26, and you can create an alert. When the price rises to this level, you will get a notification. Okay, so once you get the notification, you will be notified that the ADA is now currently on 1.26 price. Then you will have to take entry in the future. In future, you cannot set limit and buy on limit. You have to buy on market. So for that, you have to set the alert. So once you get notified that the ADA is now 1.26 dollars price, why did we give entry point higher than the current price? You can see it here. There's some resistance. You can see it here. There's some resistance in this level. First here, then here. So once this resistance is break out, the ADA coin will pump in upward direction. So for that, you have to take entry on the particular point. There is no such idea or cleverness to buy in dip than the entry point. In future, you will lose nothing more. So once the ADA hit the entry price, you will get notified, and then you will have to select the amount you want to buy ADA with, and with market you will buy, or if you want to, if there is any short signal, you can short it here. Let me take a trade for you guys. 10 ADA. Is it going up or down? It's going down. So connection is slow. Leave it. 10 ADA, and with market price I'm gonna long it. ADA, or you may say 5 ADA. Now you can see with 8x, with 20x it's cross now, but you have to select it here isolated and lower than 10x. Now I'm in loss 1%. Now here are a few more functions. You can put your take profit and stop loss here too, and once you enter a position, when you are in a position, you can adjust your leverage from here. Increasing your leverage will increase your liquidation price too. Decreasing your leverage will cause decrease in your liquidation price. So that's why we suggest to not play with so much higher leverage. Here on the pencil, if you tap, you can put the take profit. The take profit, for example, 1.26. I'll get rewarded $0.43 take profit 1, and stop loss, for example, I put it on $1. So I lose $0.86 if the price gets lower than $1. My trade will be closed. It will not touch the liquidation price. I'll be on safe side, but I'll lose $0.86. If the price rises, my trade will be closed and I'll get $0.43. How to take profit in parts? So for that, close position. My internet is not working really. Yeah, here limit, and you can take profit in parts from here. Oh, like they see one take profit, and then one order, put one order here, and then after one order put another order. Limit. If you want to sell with market price, you can sell it anytime on the market price. And now it's the second order, so you can put as much as TPs you want. So it was a basic video. Here's much more to learn, but the video is still too lengthy. We'll discuss much more in other videos. Thanks for watching.